Hello, today we are going to talk about Kislev. So it is in essence a fantasy version of Russia and a mix of all other Eastern European countries. And it is I want to say a little add-on to your empire. So it's based loosely on empire, but it is its own little army and it has its own little range of miniatures. This one came out in 2003, this leaflet of Kislev, and we are just going to look through the pages, and if you feel like you have to stop and read more about what's in here, you can pause the video at any given moment, and hopefully you can read what everything is about. So here you can see some of the miniatures, and the first things that's just jump out of the page is how different it looks compared to the other minis. Just how they are painting the horses. They have this war paint on the horses. It is very cool, and this very big what you want to call it, winged helms. That I feel this is more like a Polish. This is what the Polish people back in the day were like historically. But yeah, and then you have some marauders. This look a lot like the Chaos Marauder dudes as well. Look at how cool the building behind here is. Really like the look of it. So yeah, here is the rules and fluff of Kislev. And I freaking love this Tsar Boris on a polar bear. And you can see here, if you want to, you can actually just this is the Marauders, Chaos Marauders, but you could easily bring them into your Kislev army if you wanted to just have them in more royal colors, I think. And here is a lot of history, like religions and people, and what kind of temperament the Kislevets has. They are Dor, Taktorn people. It's not surprising considering the harsh land they inhabit. So a little bit about that, and they worship Urzan, Dras, Thor, which is very cool, and other types of religion. And here you go into the more of the army list. Winged lancers, they call them, and Ungol horse archers, and Kislev Hussars. You can see the Hussars, very cool. Griffin Legion we also have. And the heroes are Kislev Boar. Okay. Tsarina Catherine, Ice Queen of Kislev. Looks very nice. And if you see Total War Warhammer 3, you can see her in the trailer, which is very cool. There are probably some of the rules here that you will see a translation into the game as well. And look at the winged hussars, how they look. They're very nice. Very nice freehand. And here you also have scenario Purge the Steps. Look like this. I really like these small booklets. Here is Riders of the Steppes, and a little how you can paint the horses. And every horse have their own markings. There is also a little bit how to make snow effect on your scenery and hills and buildings and objects. It's very nice. Very cool indeed. And here is Heavy Metal Showcase. And here you have Fiery Kislev Warrior Priest. The Bishop miniature is converted from an old Warhammer 40,000 creature Oh my god. Okay, cool. Awesome. So you have in this army, you have conversions, and that's very cool. I think this is for Dog of Wars, this bear clan. Very nice. And here is it more in detail about how they think and how they paint. So this is the whole section here is about the Boris Urus Red Tsar and how everything is thought of in when it comes to painting. So here is some old paint brands. Scab Red was used in base coat for all the gems. Increasing amounts of Skull White were added to red subsequent highlights, consecrating toward the lower ends of the gem. A dot of Skull White is their top corner, finish them off. There you can see the gem effect. Very nice. Painting Kislev troops. And there is the lore of the eyes. Their own magic. Or I guess it's 8th edition. Or is it 7th edition? Even 6th edition? I'm not sure. Help me out, chat. In the comments, tell me what edition this is from. 2003. Okay, what did you think about this Kislev? It's a very nice little gem from Warhammer history, and it makes me want to collect this army. I have to say, it's very cool. You can see its age, and that's what's appealing to me. It looks like, I want to say, proper Warhammer, old Warhammer. It has a very nice, distinct look to it. So, anyways, yeah. Thumbs up and like and subscribe and tell a friend. It would help this channel out a lot. Okay? Thank you. Bye.